What's your name?
My name is Billy.
Welcome to your starter speaking test. Billy, are you ready? Okay, Billy, let's look at this picture. This is a picture of a beach, and it's a nice day because it's sunny. Here is the old woman. Where is the girl? What about the hat? Let's look at these. So, which one is the ball? Okay, I'm putting the ball next to the hat. Now, you put the ball under the birds. Under the birds. Okay, very good. Now, which one is the kite? Put the kite in front of the lorry. Okay, good. What about the camera? Which is the camera? Put the camera between the dresses. Between the two dresses. Okay, great job. What is this? Is it the sea or the sun?
The sea.
Okay, it's the sea. What's the color of the sea?
It's blue.
How many people are there? In the sea. How many people are there in the sea? There are?
There are 2 people.
Okay, very good. Tell me about this boy. What is the boy doing?
The boy is swimming.
Okay, what about this girl? Tell me about this girl. What is she doing? What's the color of hair? Hair. What's the color of her hair?
This.
She's got.
She does yellow hair.
Okay, very good. Now what is this? What are these?
This also.
Do you wear green shoes?
No.
No. No, I?
No, I don't.
What color are your shoes?
It's black.
Black. What is this?
It's radio.
Do you have a radio?
No.
What is your favorite song?
It's black.
Okay. What are these?
It's trousers.
They are.
They are trousers.
Do you wear trousers? Do you wear trousers?
No.
No. No? Okay.
No, I do.
No, I don't. What's the color of these trousers?
It's black.
Okay. What is this?
It's a picture.
Do you take photos? Do you take pictures? Yes? What kind of pictures do you take? Do you take family, animals, tree and flowers, your friends?
Friend.
Okay, your friends. Now let's talk about this. Can you swim, Billy?
Yes, I can.
Where do you swim? Do you swim in the pool or in the sea?
In the sea.
In the sea. Okay. Who do you swim with? Do you swim with your dad, with your mom, with your family?
Yeah. That.
Dad. Okay. So that's all, Billy. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.